How you doing? How you doing? How you doing, everyone? Welcome to another video of analyzing with Eldorado FX. As you know, this is not financial advice. It's only our view, what we think it can happen in the markets. So always check for confirmations whenever taking our entries of any of our analysis. So as you know, very important level that we mentioned to be break, it was 3,377. It did break above, but still no closing very properly above. What that means for us, as long as this trend line is respected, so sellers can give a surprise, but we're still in a bullish market. So as long as the price remain above the key level 3,345, very likely that we're gonna have more buys. So for now, our creep price is the only consideration that we're gonna take into account, and the trend line. Hopefully that the price can give us more a shoot up and go and retest at least 3,406 area, and subsequently we can have 3,438 in the case that we basically don't have then that move. Very likely that we can have a move like this as well, pointing to the downside for retest from this area. Okay, that also can happen, can place out, but the main bias again is bullish. The only thing is we're considering that most likely if the price remain below the zone, respect the trend line, it doesn't close above this zone here, most likely that we're gonna have a correction to the downside. Let's see what happens tomorrow, but for now this is a little bit of the view that we can have. And very likely as well, if this price 3,360 get respected, then we have our move to the upside. So buy zone will be 3,360, 3,350, considering the key level 3,345. The massive zone down there, 3,318 to 3,282. For now, once again, we're still bullish in our bias, main bias. We consider different scenarios, because if we see the contrary, the inverse will be, then we can have the price coming up from this area right here. Okay, our 60 area can become a retest level, and then we can target above, more very likely that second move. Okay, so let's have a look. After this rejection, it can place out very nicely. If it does, a lot of pips in there to take into account. Hopefully that the price still remains above 3,345. Okay, Bitcoin. Remember, we talk about this move on Bitcoin. We even mark it up for you guys, telling you that something like this will happen. At the moment, it's consolidating, but most likely that we're gonna get Bitcoin again, probably going up once again. So if respect, especially if you respect this price right here. Okay, so this is the zone that most likely, if Bitcoin doesn't retest the trend line, we're gonna have a move from here to the upside. Okay, taking into account that what can happen is we visit this area here, and then Bitcoin can just try to tag again around 118,000 or so. Okay, this is something like that. It could happen as well if the price doesn't manage to go and retest the trend line down here, as it has been marked out for you since yesterday. Okay, hopefully you can follow, hopefully you can understand the analysis, and that you can get into the key levels for buys in Bitcoin. As you know, we have Eldorado FX free, where you can join from the link below. So please join our free channel, where you're gonna receive 1 to 2 signals for about gold, 1 to 2 signals per day. So join us join Eldorado FX free, and then you can have 1 to 2 signals per day in gold. This was everything for us. This was analyzing with Eldorado FX, and as you know, guys, we're here for you. Anything you need. Okay, take care. Remember to click the bell, share the link, share the video, and let's go. See you. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.